my name is Mike and welcome back to another video. Today it's a super short one. I had some leftover resin in another project of mine. Instead of making it go to waste, poured it into some dice mold. So I thought I could just show you how it all works. So basically, once the resin has cured, I can demold it. I usually have a super thin layer of resin at the top of it, just because it's not super tight together over part A and part B of a mold. So that flashing is usually paper thin, and I can easily just peel it off and rip it out. Once the dice are out of the mold, I can polish up the corners at the top where the flashing is to avoid any edges that look a bit jagged and rough. That's usually the most satisfying part of the process, is just being able to peel off that excess resin super easily. Once that's all done, you polish them off properly with a Dremel. I then use a microfiber cloth just to clean them all up, just making sure to remove all the polishing compound as well. They usually take about 24 hours to cure completely. I leave them in my pressure pot for about 12, pop them out, leave them to cure in the mold for a bit longer. Once all of that's done and they look good enough, I get a paintbrush and some paint, depending on which one. I usually go for white or black. You just then fill the number on the dice's face with the paint and then rub off the excess, and the paint just stays inside of the number. So you then can backfill, I think it's called backfilling. You can backfill the dice with your paint. Super simple. You let it dry, do the other faces. Just have to be careful. You usually have to do it in 2 or 3 parts to avoid putting your fingers and smudging it off with your fingers. Anyway, I'm gonna let you finish off the video. It's a nice little montage at the end I made. And yeah, I hope you enjoy these short formats. Maybe I'll do a few more from time to time here and there between the big projects. I'm definitely thinking of making a tutorial series, or maybe just a long video on how to make molds from the beginning to the end, with casting as well, and the equipment you should need and how to begin. So stick around for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.